So today we're here at the UNIQPOL here in Brantford. We're finishing up our last couple little pieces of wall. The guys are just stripping them. They're over there getting it all done. So what I'm doing today, we had to extend the ends of the docks here and over here. I guess the grading's just a little different or something. I don't know. And so we got to backfill these and backfill the wall over there where the guys are stripping right now. So I'm going to try and get you guys on a different angle because I know sitting right here in the cab probably gets pretty old. You know, I'm trying. I don't really know what to do, but yeah. Okay, well, this is the end of it. Got everything backfilled. We got our loading dock done over there. Everything's all leveled off. Gonna scrape the tracks out. Give that a quick little pack over there. Pack everything nice and tight. And we're out of here. I'll load my little packer out over there into my truck. Keep on going. If you guys like this stuff, I don't know how good of a video it turned out to be, but if you guys like this stuff, consider subscribing, liking, sharing, all that stuff. It's free. I'm not here to make any money or anything. I just kind of like to show some people how stuff's done. But anyway, like, share, subscribe. See you later. Alright, there it is. Got our loading dock all done. It's all leveled off. Pile of asphalt to get rid of. The other guys are going to do it. A couple other little blocks and stuff. Some garbage. Now this is all cleaned up around here. Excavator's sitting there, ready to get floated out. Did another loading dock out here this morning. Finished backfilling that up. Clean it all up. Yeah. We're on to the next one.